What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now that you've posted your first video to YouTube, the next step is to tell your audience. And to do that, I'd recommend making your videos into a vertical format so you can post clips of them to platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. You can make them really easily in Final Cut Pro, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make an event that you can put all of your vertical videos into. So to do that, you go to File, New Event, rename it to Vertical Videos, make sure the video format is set to vertical. The resolution can be 720 by 1280. This can be 30p. All that can be standard. And then click OK. So that created the new event, and now you can add the footage. So I'll go to the video that I'm trying to promote. I'll grab the clips that I want. So let's say I just want these. Command C to copy. I'll go to the Vertical Videos event, click on the project, and Command V to paste. Now I need to do some adjustments so it fits in the vertical style format. So I'll highlight all the clips. The first thing I always do is zoom it in, and to do that I go to the Scale All here and type in 316, and that makes it full screen. What you'll also most likely need to do is center the video, and to do that just highlight all the clips. Go back over here, and next to the X next to position there's a 0, so you can click on that, and then if you drag up it moves all the clips to the right, and if you drag it down it moves all the clips to the left. So I just drag it until it looks like it's in the middle, put it there, and you might have to adjust by clip if one of them is off center, so to do that just click on it, then move that one clip to the center. And that's it. Then once it's done, I export it to my desktop, and to do that I just go to the top right, use my export settings, I'll rename it so I know what it is, then I'll click next, I'll make sure it's going to my desktop, and click save. Then once it's on my desktop I drag it into Photos, so I can post it to Instagram or TikTok or Facebook so I can promote my new video. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and that was how to make your videos into a vertical format in Final Cut Pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and for all of the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below, and I'll see you next week.